Hi, this is Curt Dambman with Dambman Service Inc. at Milledgeville, Illinois. We're going to walk through a baler inspection of what we do with our winter baler inspection here. We've got a 1-year-old 605N corn stalker that just came in, and we'll start walking you through the whole process here. We're continuing on our baler inspection on the 605N. For the format, we use the Vermeer Confidence Plus program, which is a certified warranty program offered through Vermeer. So you can receive 1-year parts and labor on this machine for $585. And for doing a winter service inspection here, we follow the same 70-point inspection checklist. So as you can see, we start with the machine, we take all the belts off, all the chains out, and then just follow through all their lists. So we go through all the drive system, net rep, gearbox, changing oil in the gearbox. So everything gets checked out on it and tested and then test run. So finishing up the inspection on this baler now, we've gone through the Confidence Plus checklist. So we've gone through approximately 60 points of inspection and things to do on it. So another baler ready to run. For more information, contact us at 815-622-6750.